Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up, you checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. So we're back out here again. I brought this XK A180 out here again to have a little flight with it. This time I plan to put this thing in manual mode. Not too fond of the way it flies in beginner mode or gyro assisted mode. Guessing it's probably going to be more of the same in manual mode because we don't have any differential thrust, so no yaw or rudder action with this thing. Just yank then bank. And so I'm probably going to take it up pretty high to try to fly it manual. Not sure what to expect. We out here in the concrete jungle, so the stakes is high as far as the damage if I crash this thing. So hopefully you guys will be able to see this thing in the sky. Got a little carpenter bee over here hugging on to the side of the wall right there. Not sure if he's just not adapting well to the change in weather or if he's just sick, but he's just hugging on to the side of that wall. Got some trucks moving out. Let's take this guy up in the air. Stock transmitter, y'all. So freshly charged battery too. Stock battery. This thing came with 3 batteries. The package that I purchased off Amazon. I have a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this one up. Let's try to take off from the ground. I haven't done that yet. Let's see if we can do that. Okay. Look at that. Already, y'all. It's already saying that the battery's dying. Let's see if this thing does any tricks or anything. Doesn't look like it. I pressed the button, it didn't do anything. Maybe because it's beeping, it's not going to let me do any tricks or anything. Really disappointed in this model, y'all. I can't tell if the battery is dead or if it's just making that noise. Try to bring it around without getting it in the tree, and it's in the tree. Horrible turning on this thing, y'all. Sheesh. I should have just brought it down, knowing how crazy this thing flies. Fortunately, this thing landed somewhere where we can still reach it. And we lost the prop. Prop flew off it. Guessing the prop fell down over here somewhere. Just happy to get it back, really. I guess that's going to be the end of this flight here. Unsuccessful attempt to get this thing in manual mode. Didn't get a chance to get it up there in manual mode. As soon as I took off with this thing, it just started crying low battery. And so I don't know if it's just the integrity of these batteries, them having low C ratings or whatnot, or what, I don't know. The XK A180, not too happy with it. Thanks for watching.